successful naman kanina, na surprise naman namin sila. Hindi lang na-expect na magiging magkakasama kami.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga zoobs. So it's bright and early and it's going to be a long day today. We're thinking to start off the day with going into the gym, but we're not too sure if we're going to be able to fit it in. We have a bunch of stuff to do and we have a bunch of meetings, and we also have a lunch with our family. So that's usually the first thing we do on a Sunday. We have lunch and then we hang out for a little bit, talk, syempre, cuento, and then we usually start our day. But today we do have a bunch of errands to run, and we have a meeting with a friend that we haven't seen for quite some time, which is nice. It's nice to get to see them again after so many years, and we also have a couple surprises that we will do during that meeting. And after that, I guess probably just hang out for a little bit, because the next one is Cody's birthday dinner, and that will be later in the evening. So there'll be a few hours that we need to fill, but I'm sure we can spend some good quality time there. We're going to Ayala Feliz, so this is a mall that we haven't been to for quite some time also. It's a nice mall. It's very, very similar to UP Town Din, so we really like the setup. I'm not sure if that's the setup of all Ayala malls. Baka you can comment below. Baka feeling ko style nila. Kasi I remember now that the Ayala Manila Bay, parang ganyan din, pero mas malaki, I think. Basta, I like how they have that set up with the indoor part of the mall and the outdoor para may konting fresh air. But anyway, we got to get this day started and yeah, get the kids ready for lunch.
Hi mga Zoobs! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat! Today is Sunday and kinaram ko lahat ng mga imi-meet ko ngayong Sunday. Meron akong meeting sa mga suppliers, sa friends, at saka may birthday party mamaya. Si Curty May, kilala niyo naman si Curty May, ang aking mahal na assistant. Meron siyang pa-party mamaya kasi nag-birthday siya. Yung hindi siya sumama sa taping ko kasi yun yung birthday niya. So may pa-birthday siya today. But now, isa-surprise ko siya kasi may ka-meeting ako na hindi niya akalain na makakasama ko today. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, may imimit ako, tapos magpapasama lang ako sa kanya. Tapos may isa pa kaming kasama, si Renzi from Arbigo fam, na hindi ko kasabwat, hindi rin niya alam. So, kasama rin siya sa surprise. So, lolokohin ko sila today. At on the way na kami ngayon sa Vertis North. Doon kami magkikita-kita. Ang sinabi ko sa kanila, ibang location. Isi-set up ko muna yung kung saan mismo kami magkikita, para pagdating nila, ready na kami mag-surprise. Kalain niyo yun. So, kasama ko ngayon si Andy at saka si Mother Goose, si Tita, para makagala din siya kasi hindi pa daw siya nakakaikot simula nung dumating siya dahil nasa Hilton Hotel lang siya. Ito na. On the way.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try.
Mga Zoobs, nandito na kami sa parking lot at ito na nga yung birthday party ni Curty, birthday dinner niya. So, yan, successful naman kanina, na-surprise naman namin sila. Hindi lang na-expect na magiging magkakasama kami today. Ito na. Kasi may music doon kaya hindi ako makapag-vlog. So, marami-rami tayong mga friends na makakasama dito. Kaya, halika na.
Alrighty guys, so we are home now and our friends got us a couple very nice and special gifts. So we haven't seen them for quite some time. I think it's been more than probably 6 to 8 years. Our friend Badang, and he gave us some really nice gifts. So we got a Jo Malone. I really love this packaging. It's quite cool. It's like a little teddy bear. And open it up. It's cologne. And this is the Nectarine Blossom and Honey. Actually, one of the ones that Diana used to wear way back. So she was really happy with this. And there was a couple more gifts that we can't show you because one of them is downstairs right now and it's going to be part of the house tour.
I just woke up, Curty, from your party. Sorry naman na-stress kita kagabi kasi akala ko nawawala yung phone ko. Akala ko naiwan ko sa restaurant. Pasensya na din. Yung pala nasa bag lang ni Andy. So I'm so sorry for that. And gusto ko lang mag-thank you kasi palagi kang kasama and being with you parang everything feels light and positive and happy. Yun yung vibe mo. Kaya thank you. Thank you for that. Tsaka maraming salamat kasi in fairness to you, mabait kang tao. Wow, sis! Oh my God, sis! Baka naman maiyak ka dito sa... Oh my God. But seriously, Curty, thank you for being a friend and for always looking after me. Tsaka sana may dumating na talagang makakapagpasaya ng puso mo. So, yun lang naman. So, thank you so much mga Zoobs sa panonood ng ating vlog for today. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Happy birthday again, Curty. Bye.